Chrysler 300 outruns Georgia troopers in high-speed pursuit. A recent dashcam video reveals a white Chrysler 300 easily evading Georgia State Patrol officers during a high-speed chase on September 14, 2025. The incident raises questions about police pursuit tactics and the surprising performance capabilities of the often underestimated sedan. Initial stop and immediate escape. The incident began as a routine traffic stop initiated by Officer Brown. However, the driver of the Chrysler 300 accelerated aggressively as the officer approached on foot, immediately merging onto Interstate 20 West. The vehicle rapidly gained distance, leaving the initial pursuing unit far behind. This wasn't a hesitant getaway. The driver demonstrated a clear intent to escape. Escalation and multiple units involved. Additional units, including Ford Mustangs, joined the pursuit, yet the Chrysler continued to outpace them. Speeds exceeded triple digits as the vehicles weaved through traffic. The driver displayed skillful handling, narrowly avoiding collisions while exiting onto Lawton Street. The suspect threaded between a Chevrolet Malibu, damaging its side mirror, and a Jeep Gladiator, further increasing the gap between himself and pursuing officers. Pursuit abandoned after 7 minutes. After 7 minutes of high-speed pursuit through residential areas, officers lost sight of the Chrysler. One unit even bottomed out while attempting to maintain the chase at excessive speed. The officers on the dashcam commiserated about how close they were to catching the suspect, acknowledging his aggressive driving and speculating about the vehicle's engine, possibly a Hellcat. The pursuit was officially terminated 90 seconds after losing sight of the vehicle. Tactical questions and local impact. The incident raises critical questions about whether officers should have continued the chase, considered alternative methods, such as aerial support, or improved radio coordination. Residents in the neighborhoods through which the chase passed likely wish more effective tactics had been used to apprehend the suspect. However, officers on the ground may view chases differently, highlighting the complexities of high-speed pursuits. The Chrysler 300's ability to outrun multiple police vehicles serves as a reminder that conventional assumptions about vehicle performance during pursuits can be misleading. The incident underscores the need for ongoing evaluation of law enforcement strategies in high-speed scenarios.